Hello educators and school leaders, welcome to our exciting world of robotics, where we empower students to innovate and solve real-world problems through hands-on learning. In this video, we will explore a series of engaging robotics activities that can transform your school's curriculum and ignite your students' creativity. Let's dive in. Here is a burglar alarm. A smart burglar alarm system alerts you whenever there is an unexpected movement. Students will build a simple alarm that uses sensors to detect intruders, teaching them about security technology and its importance in our homes and businesses. Next up, we have the obstacle avoider robot. This little machine uses sensors to navigate around obstacles just like self-driving cars do. It's a fun way to introduce students to robotics and programming while developing critical problem-solving skills. In many homes, water damage can be a real issue. With the water level alarm project, students will create a device that alerts them when water levels rise too high. This teaches them about environmental awareness and how technology can help prevent flooding and conserve resources. Smart home automation. Imagine controlling your home with just a tap on your phone. In this project, students will learn how to automate everyday tasks from turning lights on and off to adjusting the thermostat. This introduces them to the world of IoT, Internet of Things, and how it can make our lives more convenient. Coming to the automatic gate opening, students will build an automatic gate opener that activates when a car approaches. This not only enhances security but also offers a glimpse into the technology behind modern access control systems, showing students how robotics can improve everyday life. Next, we will explore automatic traffic light control. Students will create a system that manages traffic flow, making intersections safer and more efficient. This project highlights the importance of robotics in urban planning and public safety. These hands-on activities not only teach students essential STEM skills, but also encourage teamwork, creativity, and critical thinking. We believe these robotics workshops can significantly enrich your students' learning experiences. Are you ready to inspire the next generation of innovators? Let's bring these robotics training workshops to your school. Together, we can equip your students with the tools they need to thrive in a tech-driven world. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to partnering with you to spark creativity and curiosity in your students.